Testing. Okay, it is live. Hi everybody, my name is Paul Giantakis, and I'm the Associate Director for a local nonprofit called San Francisco Community Power. We're located in the Dog Patch area of the southeast part of the city, the Potrero Hill, and our mission is our tagline is save money, save energy, save the environment. And we were founded in 2001 as a resource to help close power plants, the two remaining power plants in the city, when the Bayview plant, which is closed down last year, and the remaining one is the Potrero power plant, which is staged in Hungary. Through our work, we wanted to show that you can, everybody increasing efficiency in the community, can make a case for closing down, making the power plant kind of unnecessary. And through our work, I think we've saved well over 10 megawatts of energy, and the power plant at Bayview is closed, and we've been instrumental in laying groundwork for closing the Potrero plant. In between, we've been running programs ranging from a program called Demand Response to help local businesses reduce their carbon footprint and their energy use during times when there's a great emergency. So basically during the summertime when there's a rolling blackout, it used to be that energy would be pumped in from out of state through guys like Enron and such. And then it was realized, why pay these guys top dollar and pay our money leaving the state and not pay the local businesses to cut back their energy use. So conservation is one of the main drivers in our philosophy, at least in my work. And just like Molly mentioned, she started out with energy efficiency as the first thing you can do. I go and say energy conservation is the first thing you can and should do. And we're branching out into just general resource conservation. Like some of our other programs are finding old toilets and replacing them with low-flow toilets. Partnership with PUC. We're working with a target population, lower income mostly, so we're trying to find services to provide them when we reach out to them once, at least we build a relationship that we can draw on other things too. The next thing that we're actually experimenting now is we're going to save money, sorry guys, we're going to save money on our power bills, but maybe there's some way we can help them with helping save that money that they saved initially and be smart about how to use it. One is maybe investing it in a new toaster or getting rid of a refrigerator, take advantage of savings from PG&E's rebate program. So we're trying to pair them up. The program that the student is called Climate for Community, and we go in and look at everything from their toilet to their toasters to the tire pressure in their cars. And for everybody here too, this is a reminder, tire pressure in your cars makes a big difference in your carbon footprint. It's often forgotten. Little other things, turning off lights, for example, knowing how much certain things you use. You'd be surprised often how much the heater that you're running or a light, an horn that looks great, can use. So a nifty little device, I guess my son will display it for you. Can you look that up for everybody to see? It's called a kilowatt meter. And it's actually a lot of fun. You can plug in, let's say the refrigerator here, and then plug the refrigerator's plug, and then plug this device in the outlet, and you can get a bunch of different readings ranging from, I thought they had batteries, but the display needs to be powered. You can actually convert not only see kilowatt hours and amps, but you can look at the dollar amount that energy is costing. I think some of these are calculated 15 cents per kilowatt hour, which is roughly standard. It could be more or less depending on what time of the day. But yeah, you can actually put a dollar amount, and that makes a big difference. You can see the dollar amount. I sometimes leave it, I plug a microwave in it, and you can see how much it just costs you to zap your sandwich. And one of the things that I do in the demand response program is some of these buildings that have folks that bring in lunch and then need to use the microwave on the day when there's a great emergency. Say, one one tip is don't use the microwave. That they bring a sandwich that you don't have to mute. And if a bunch of people do that, you actually save quite a bit of energy. Especially in peak hours, which is the time when most people use energy, it's more expensive, and typically it's also the time when if there's everybody on the same, everybody's firing up air conditioning because it's a hot day, most likely an old dirty power plant will get triggered on to fill in the gap for not having enough energy to go around. So let me see here what other things I wanted to mention. You guys couldn't think of power strips, phantom loads. I mean, they're getting a lot of play now. It took a while to get the word out. We've been talking about these things for 10 years or so. But it's great to see people actually being aware of power strips and trying to turn off a bunch of different devices at once. Other things, like I think solar hot water is understated in its marketing and benefits, you know. We're talking about solar panels, but what really mentioned, I don't know even personally a whole lot about the cost. I think Eric mentioned how much is solar hot water?
Solar hot water, it varies from about, I think it's generally around $2,000 for installation in a relatively warm climate like the Bay Area. They'll pay for themselves in 4 years in terms of the energy savings, and of course, there's absolutely no carbon footprint to solar water.
From the horse panel.